And breaking information we are getting at this point after Republic TV's relentless campaign against Vikas Barala, the Chandigarh police has now issued summons and the Haryana BJP chief's son has been asked to appear in the police station for further investigation at 11 AM today. However, we are also getting to understand that if he fails to appear, the police will enter his house. That's the latest we are getting, that in case Vikas Barala is not traceable, the police has confirmed to Republic TV that a team will go and raid his residence after 11 AM. The police has issued summons to Vikas Barala, asking him to appear for further investigation in the police station at Sector 26 in Chandigarh today. In fact, just a while back, we showed you an exclusive copy of that notice. Let's now go across to my colleague Shweta, who brings us more details on this story. Shweta, while earlier on there were doubts that, in fact, the information that is floating around is the fact that Vikas Barala in all probability is not present in Chandigarh at all. Now, even after the police issued summons to him, will he be present at the police station at 11 AM was the question. But now what you're getting to understand from the police is that in case he does not appear, they will go to his house and raid his house. Is that what we understand?
Absolutely, Suesha. We just spoke to the police a while back and they confirmed to Republic TV that, Vikas is not traceable. The police told us here outside the residence of his father, Subhash Barala, that Vikas has not been found. And that's the reason why this notice has now been put up for summons. The official notice reads that Vikas Barala is hereby directed to appear in the office of undersigned in connection with the investigation of the above said case. The case FIRs are filed under section 341, 34 and 185 of the Motor Vehicle Act. Now, these are the sections that have been levied, but we understand that a section of kidnapping is also going to be now, put in the entire case. We are also hoping that Varnika will appear before the magistrate. That's the sources that are, the sources are telling us that Varnika would want kidnapping charges to be also included in the above FIR. But what we're given to understand, and police has told us, that different teams are deployed across Chandigarh to trace Vikas Barala, and if he's not traceable, if he does not appear before the said police station, then they will be raiding this particular house of Subhash Barala. They are already, they're all prepared with all their ammunitions to raid different residences of Subhash Barala to trace Vikas Barala because he's not been found so far. That's the police that has told us, something that we have been reiterating here at Republic TV, that Vikas has not been traceable since the very day of the incident, after he was let go of, after those criminal charges against him, non-bailable criminal charges against him were dropped. Chandigarh police today has vindicated our stand and is saying that they will go hammer and tongs and will find Vikas Barala by today itself.
Shweta, we'd also like to understand from you, you showed us the various charges that are mentioned in that notice. Now, you said that these are also this also includes the abduction charge, that there was an attempt to abduct Varnika. Point we are trying to understand is that earlier on, when these charges were pressed against Vikas Barala, they were non-bailable charges which were later changed to bailable charges. From this, are we supposed to understand that now again this falls under the category of non-bailable charges?
What we are given to understand, the sections here are bailable right now. But Varnika's family is trying to ensure that all the non-bailable charges should be included in this FIR. Now, that's something that Varnika's family, the victim's family, has been trying to do. These sections right now are bailable, as we're given to understand. The charge of kidnapping is what Varnika also would like to be a part of this FIR. That is something the victim's family is looking forward to doing. But as of now, the charges remain non-bailable.
Also, Shweta, let's understand that there has been a lot of back and forth from the police as well, because as much as Varnika went around saying the first time that the police was extremely helpful towards her that while that incident happened, and she has been speaking well. However, later evidences were tampered with or not available, because let's understand the CCTV footage, first the police said is not available, and later on yesterday it was retrieved. So now can we understand that the police is now all set to take action in full force against Vikas Barala and put him to task?
Well, Suesha, there's been a lot of pressure to take action against Subhash Barala. Remember, he was let go of initially after he was arrested for non-bailable offence, but the non-bailable charges were then later on dropped. But what we are given to understand that due to political pressure as well as pressure from media, the Chandigarh police is trying with its full force to now go after Vikas Barala. Remember, Subhash Barala also appeared for the very first time yesterday when he spoke to media houses, and he said that Varnika is like his daughter and he will not meddle with the case. That's the assurance that Subhash Barala gave yesterday.
I'm going to come to that point, Shweta. In fact, we are going to talk further on that. But first, let's cut into a reaction we've been getting from Chandigarh police. Let's cut into that.
So one quick reaction from you. Have the CRPC, the particular CRPC sections that were actually put in, have they been amended, sir? Amend हुआ है क्योंकि initially kidnapping के sections drop कर दिए गए थे.
नहीं, ऑफिसर बताएंगे इसके बारे में, अभी कुछ नहीं है.
So अभी भी क्या kidnapping के sections हैं?
ऑफिसर जी बताएंगे. मैं नोटिस के लिए जो आदेश हुआ है, नोटिस लगाने के लिए.
अब क्या ये पहले भी आप लोगों ने ढूंढने की कोशिश करें, क्या विकास बराला जी मिल नहीं रहे हैं इसीलिए समन्स की ऑर्डर है?
कुछ नहीं कह सकता, इसके बारे में ऑफिसर भी बताएंगे.
अच्छा, तो सर अगर समन्स को नहीं फॉलो किया जाता है तो क्या आगे का स्टेप क्या होगा?
हमारी टीम में तैयार है, रेडी.
हाँ जी.
ले आने के लिए उनको.
तो क्या सर आपके सूत्रों के अनुसार वो अंदर हैं? इज ही इनटू हाइडिंग? वेयर इज ही?
नहीं, अंदर नहीं है.
अंदर नहीं है?
अंदर नहीं, मकान के अंदर की बात कर रहे हो? नहीं, मकान के अंदर नहीं है ना.
तो क्या पुलिस को पता है वो कहाँ है इस वक्त? नहीं
कोई नहीं, ढूंढ लेंगे मकान ढूंढने.
सुभाष बराला जी के साथ भी बातचीत हुई है?
एक मिनट.
मैं हमारी अलग अलग टीम लगी हुई है इसके अंदर
जी.
सारी ऑलरेडी. एक मिनट, मैं इसका चिपका देता हूँ. आप इस पाड़न ला रहे हो, ये नहीं चिपकेगा.
हर टीम को
एक मिनट
जी उसका आप अपना प्रोग्राम.
ओके, एक बात बताइए सर, क्या अब इन्हें ढूंढने की कोशिश की जा रही है विकास बराला जी को?
अभी पहले नोटिस दे रहे हैं हम.
हाँ जी.
फिर उस टाइम पे हमारी टीमें रेडी हैं.
नहीं, पर क्या वो अंदर है सर? क्या आप पुलिस को पता है वो कहाँ है?
पुलिस को अगर पता होता और तो ऑलरेडी पुलिस ये नहीं करती.
तो आप कह रहे हैं पुलिस को नहीं पता, तो क्या वो अंडरग्राउंड में मिसिंग है?
कौन कहता है अंडरग्राउंड है? अभी नोटिस दे रहे हैं.
हाँ जी. और इसके बाद अगर वो नहीं अपीयर करते हैं तो क्या होगा? अगर नहीं होते हैं अपीयर तो फिर
नहीं होते, वारंट लेकर अरेस्ट करेंगे और क्या करेंगे.
कब तक ये एक्सपेक्टेड है वारंट लेके?
ये 11 बजे का टाइम उसको दिया हुआ है. अगर 11 बजे नहीं अपीयर होएगा तो वारंट इशू करा लेंगे उसी टाइम.
Right, Shweta, we just saw the conversation that you had with the police where they told you that if at 11 a.m. Vikas Barala does not appear at the said police station, then their teams are absolutely ready to go ahead and arrest him. So much so that they will first go and raid his house. That's the latest that we are getting. Shweta, if we still have you. Yeah, Shweta, we just saw that conversation. Now we'd like to understand from you, like you were also mentioning that Subhash Barala yesterday clearly stated that both him and his party not in any way were trying to influence this investigation, and that whatever steps need to be taken against Vikas Barala for whatever he has done should be taken. Now in that sense, you think there's going to be cooperation from the side of Subhash Barala?
Well, Suesha, it appears that there should be cooperation from Subhash Barala after especially he's come out in open for the very first time and spoken to media. Remember, he said, that Varnika is like my daughter and that we will not try to meddle with the case, we will not try to use influence, and justice should be meted out to Varnika.